Hi children, welcome to online class, 8th standard, first language English. Today we are going to learn the poem, The Bees, poem number 15. Bees, that is written by William Shakespeare. To know about William Shakespeare, that is lifetime 1564 to 1616. The greatest English dramatist and poet and needs no introduction. He is best known for his plays Hamlet, Othello, Macbeth, King Lear, Romeo and Juliet, Julius Caesar, Merchant of Venice, and poems like The Bees, Venus and Adonis, The Phoenix and the Turtle, etc. In this poem, the bees, it describes the unique qualities of the busy bee. Now, coming to the poem, so work the honeybees, creatures that by a rule in nature teach the art of order to a peopled kingdom. They have a king and officers of sorts, where some like magistrates correct at home, others like merchants venture trade abroad, others like soldiers armed in their stings make a boot upon the summer's velvet buds, which pillage they with merry mirth bring home to the rent royal of their emperor, who busied in his majesty surveys the singing masons building roofs of gold. The civil citizens kneading up the honey, the poor mechanic porters crowding gate, the sad-eyed justice with his surly hymn and delivering over to execute his bail, the lazy yawning drone. So now that is the sad-eyed justice with this surly hum delivering over to execute his bail, the lazy yawning drone. Now, Shakespeare is telling about the kingdom of bees. It is a marvelous creation of the greatest English poet, that is named William Shakespeare. Here, the poet gives a vivid description of the bee's kingdom in a lyrical form, through which we come to know that the life of the bee, that is insect, is not that simple the way we think. We come to know that they have an organized life. Bees are hardworking creatures and they follow the art of order in nature. That is to teach the people kingdom, that is human beings. They also have to maintain discipline in order to run their life. When such a natural order is in place, a kingdom can simultaneously fight a war and maintain peace and security at home. So he is telling there are different classes of bees engaged in diverse works like kings, officers, magistrates, merchants, soldiers, so like that. So here, what does the king bee do? The king bee decides how to work, divided in a kingdom, and he plans all the things in their life, hive. Second, magistrate bees, what they do? They correct all the things in their hive and supervise whole the work procedure. Then merchant bees, like a businessman, they come out of the bee comb and take new projects to complete them due to the things have some risks. Soldier bees, they have stings which they use in their working time. When they face any problem, they collect velvet buds to make their boot and also collect nectar. They return home merrily and give all to the royal tent of the emperor. The next one is civilian bees. What they do? They prepare honey from their nectar, kneading up the honey. Porter bees, they work as guards. They do not enter any extra things. They don't allow any crowding, heavy burdens. So they protect their hives. They protect their beehives and can enter only important things in their house. Then judge view, what does it do? These are all like guardians. They are even old aged and matured also. They give punishment to them who did no work. These bees work like judges. Then with pillage, that is the pillage, that is the bees are king and officers, magistrates, merchants, and soldiers like us. The pillage, that is the action of stealing honey from the flower. That is what they do, making war of the summer velvet buds, and they bring the spoils back to the emperor. And the king in the field with his soldiers, and the spoils are brought first to him before being passed on to the hive in general. All other classes of bees are dependent on the work done by the soldiers, and the spoils they bring back to the king. The soldiers, then what they do, the spoils are turned into glorious profit. Here, civil citizens, they turn the spoils with the profitable honey. They turn the spoils into profitable honey, and the mechanic porters crowd around carrying the village goods into the hive. Village goods into the hive. The justices and executors are also on hand to deal with those who do no work. The lazy yawning drones, that is there are other, that is only who do not work, the lazy yawning drones only, they don't do any work. So here I have shown you. This is a drone and this is the queen bee. And there are other working groups who do their job within due diligence. So children, this is the life of a bee. Please go through the poem and understand the way the bees are setting an example to others. Thank you, children.